In this video, I'm going to show you an overview tutorial of Grasshopper VoIP. Grasshopper is a virtual phone system tailored for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. It allows users to create a professional phone presence by providing business numbers, call forwarding, voicemail, and texting, all without the need for expensive hardware or complex installations. With Grasshopper, you can run your business from your smartphone while keeping your personal and business communications separate. So in this video, I'll give you an overview of Grasshopper VoIP, its key features, and how it benefits users, along with a high-level walkthrough of how it works. So first, what is Grasshopper? Grasshopper is a cloud-based virtual phone system that offers VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol services designed to provide businesses with professional communication tools. Unlike traditional phone systems that rely on landlines or hardware, Grasshopper is fully mobile friendly, making it perfect for business owners who need to manage calls on the go. Grasshopper allows businesses to set up local or toll-free business numbers, extensions, call routing, and voicemail greetings. Since the service works through an app on your smartphone or computer, you get all the benefits of a business phone system without the need for additional infrastructure. So key features of Grasshopper is first, its business phone numbers and extensions. Grasshopper lets you choose from local, toll-free, or vanity numbers to establish a professional business presence. You can also assign extensions to different departments or employees, even if everyone is working remotely or using their mobile devices. So the benefit of the said feature is that professional phone numbers give your business a more trustworthy image, while extensions allow customers to reach the right person or department efficiently, improving customer satisfaction. Next, a key feature is call forwarding and custom greetings. Grasshopper makes it easy to forward calls to any phone, whether it's your smartphone, landline, or VoIP device. Additionally, the platform allows you to set up custom voicemail greetings and auto attendants that greet callers and route them appropriately based on their needs. The benefit of this key feature is that call forwarding ensures you never miss important calls, even if you're out of the office, while custom greetings help create a professional and seamless caller experience. So, additional features of Grasshopper is their voicemail to email transcriptions, text messaging or SMS, call reports and analytics, and of course, mobile and desktop apps. So, some benefits of using Grasshopper for your business is that you will have professional image on a budget. You can also have separation of personal and business calls. It has ease of use, mobility and flexibility, and it's scalable for growth. So Grasshopper grows with your business by allowing you to add extensions or new numbers as needed. So why choose Grasshopper? Grasshopper is an ideal choice for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and remote teams who need a simple yet professional communication system. The platform's user-friendly interface, low setup costs, and powerful call management tools make it a favorite among startups and solo professionals. By eliminating the need for complex hardware or on-premise phone systems, Grasshopper empowers businesses to maintain a high level of communication and customer service without the hassle. So if your business is growing or if you need a reliable mobile friendly phone system, Grasshopper provides everything you need to manage calls and texts efficiently. So now let's move on to the website. So as you can see right here, keep personal and business calls separated. So they have these articles right here, why Grasshopper. So it has the overviews, how it works, their add-on features, and customer stories. So you'll see their top features right here. So as you can see, they also have VoIP plus Wi-Fi calling. So you can make a business calls using VoIP and Wi-Fi. So they have descriptions right here. So VoIP calling uses the internet to make calls instead of traditional phone lines or cellular networks. So this is how to get the Grasshopper VoIP phone system. So simply get a Grasshopper, get the app. So in the mobile app, turn on Wi-Fi calling, and the desktop app automatically uses VoIP calling. So if you want to start a trial or buy the Grasshopper, just click here. Now you want to sign up for an account. You can choose a toll-free number, a local number, or number porting. So what's included in this trial is one phone number and 3 extensions, 50 business talk minutes, and all the same features you get with the full version of Grasshopper. So let's just go back. Let's go to the pricing. So as you can see right here, if you want it to be billed monthly, this is the prices, and billed annually, this is the prices. So basically, there are 3 different plans. So this is the True Solo, Solo Plus, and Small Business. So Small Business is the best plan for flexibility and customization for small businesses. So when you scroll down, you can compare the features right here in a more detailed version. So you will see that in True Solo, only 1 extension, Solo Plus has 3 extensions, and Small Business has unlimited extensions. So basically, this is how it works. So of course, read all of this comparison and make sure that you have all the features that you need for your business. So again, this is all of the features of Grasshopper VoIP. So if you're quite confused yet, just go to the pricing and look at the comparison of features and just visit their website to see all of the frequently asked questions. So if you're still confused on how Grasshopper works, so your questions will be answered right here. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.